Hi, my wonderful artists. In this video today, we're going to learn how to draw our own Frank Stella collaged dot drawing. So let's get our supplies ready. We need a piece of paper, a pencil, a black marker. It can be a Sharpie or just a regular black marker, and some circle stencils. If you are not in class with me and do not have circle tracers like right here that are provided to you, you can collect some circles around the house. So you can collect like cups, you could collect plastic plates or lids to like a water bottle. You just want a variety of different size circles so that way you have a good difference in size for your picture. So to begin, you're going to pick a circle of any choice of your variety that you have. You're going to take your non-drawing hand, your helping hand, you're going to take and you're going to trace around that circle. This drawing, we're going to place many circles on our page, just like Frank Stella did in his wonderful paintings. So sometimes they're going to overlap like this. Okay, and sometimes they can go within each other, so go kind of right in the middle of another circle. You want to use the circle sizes more than once. So for example, like I just used this one here, I can now use it again over here on this side and have it hang off of the edge. So also explore putting images on the edges of your paper. Some circles can be by themselves. Now some circles that are really small, like these here, you can just freehand those. Those don't need a circle tracer. It might be hard to find something that small. So you can just kind of freehand those, but you're just going to get busy making some circles within circles, which are called concentric circles, and making art inspired by Frank Stella. So you're going to keep doing this until you have a full page filled up with circles. You also want to make sure you balance out your composition. So when you're using the size more than once, think of how it's placed on the page. So like here I have my bigger circle. I use this same bigger circle kind of diagonal from it down here in this corner and had it hanging off, so that those sizes balance each other out visually. This way, your picture won't look lopsided when you view it. So once you have your paper filled up with circles going off all of the edges, here I'm just going to, because I didn't put any on this, so try to make a circle going off at least all 4 edges. So like this edge, so all 4. Once you have that, you can take your black marker. If you don't have a black marker, you can always use a black crayon. Just go nice and slow, tracing all of those pencil lines. If you miss a line by a little bit, that's okay. Don't worry, you can always go and erase it. Don't try to go back and get it. You might end up making that line too thick or end up making it look a little awkward. Also, another thing you can add really small, like little black dots with your black marker or black crayon along the edges of some of your circles. You don't want to do this to all, because then it might get a little too crazy, but you can add it to some. Again, just like we spread out the shapes, spread out the little black dots. Now that you've got your picture all traced with marker, you can take your eraser and erase any pencil lines that you see. And then next class, we will begin to talk about how to color our dots and use what is called an analogous color scheme. to make these wonderful Frank Stella inspired drawings. Have fun.